Here you go, Tom.
Okay.
Alright, go back in.
You're outside the net. Use your mask on.
Am I pointing in the right direction?
You're shooting off the camera.
Like that? I gotta capture it?
What are you doing?
He's gonna shoot him.
Okay.
He wants to be shot.
He's never been shot with a paintball gun?
around!
Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
Here, why don't you just hold the head cam, because I have a feeling it's not pointed at him. Ready? Got the nipple. Alright, whoa. Did I get the nipple?
Huh?
Did I get the nipple?
You got, like, yeah, close enough.
That's what I was hoping for.
Yay, boobies!
Look, hold on. Look at this accuracy. That's 2 shots.
Did you hit it, like, really close together?
On
Yeah.
top of each other.
Oh, that's awesome. Can I shoot that little place?